Hi, as you can see here behind, I have a lot of plants, and with all the rain, it's growing a lot. So it's time to prune some of the plants, and I just got this electric cordless shear, which I am very excited about because it's much easier to do. It's a kind of a heavy duty and a lot of trimming to do. It cuts the time in half, and then you can be more precise in the way that you do. So here you have the way what you do the power, and power button is here, and then you see all the lights on. It's battery, and you see if I press here, it does not do anything, and if I press here, it does not do anything. So this is kind of a safe mechanism, so you won't make you work without really paying attention and being ready for it. So if we press both of them, it opens and then it will close. It's a very cool tool. So let's try on the plants. So pruning with this beauty, it was such a easy job to do.